Maimunah binti Motar as a moderator for forum session today. I hope you are doing well. Okay, this is our where our forum will be conducted through the online, where so obviously related to our current situation. For today, we will discuss and share about the issues of the problem and solution of job analysis in Indonesia and what the big implication of the issues of today human resources. Alright, for our panel to this session, we have Miss Tian Shinli from company Supermax Sdn Bhd, Miss Shin Lee from Lady Fashion Sdn Bhd, Mr. Wah Chiam from Culture Enterprise, and Miss Tan Emping from company Filias Sdn Bhd. Alright, before that, let me explain a little bit about job analysis. Okay, job analysis analyze is basically a systematic exploration of activities within a job which involve identifying and describing what is happening on job specifically. Before embarking a job analysis, we must understand the nature and purpose of conducting the investigation. Alright, the basic reason are to understand the nature of work and identifying room for improvement in doing specific job. In my opinion, there are many big implications of the issues on today human resources. For example, is demographic changes. Population changes will have a growing influence on many aspects of work and human resources practices. Okay, these changes include an aging workforce, diverse generation working together, the structure of family and parental duties, and growing cultural diversity. Okay, as we know, many companies have to face challenges in human resource department. So, for Ms. Tian Xinyi, can you share with us what the problem that you has been experienced at your company before?
Hi, my name is Tianxini, which is from Department Human Resources of Company Supermed Sdn Bhd. I'm glad to represent the company to attend this forum and share my experience about the problem and solution of job analysis faced in my company before. The problem that our company faces before is a dynamic environment. Dynamic environment refers to the changes in the internal and external environment of an enterprise caused by the change and development of the external social economy, which leads to the changes in the organizational structure, work composition, and personnel structure of the enterprise. It mainly includes the change of external environment, the change of enterprise life cycle, and the improvement of employee ability and demand level and others. Therefore, there will also be some changes in the job analysis that will result in the change of employees' job content, job context, and job requirements.
Oh, I see. Okay, so how about you from Lady Fashion's neighborhood? What is your opinion about this issue?
Hello everyone, glad to meet you all at this time. I'm Chin Singi from Lady Fashions and Rare Berhad. Before I give my opinion, I want to thank the moderator for inviting me to this forum and giving me the opportunity to share my opinions about the problems and solution of job analysis. First of all, I will share about the problem in the company, which is lack of cooperation from employees. Cooperation is not always simple to perform in the company, but it is worth the effort since it results in a harmonious and productive environment. For many business, cooperation can mean the difference between success and failure. Workers will be more productive and jobs are completed more quickly and efficiently when they pay more attention to their tasks in a cooperative workplace. Cooperation in the company, especially in a team-based environment, is definitely one of the most significant impact on productivity. When each person depends on others for task completion, things go smoothly. When one individual refuses to cooperate, the overall process slows down. When it comes to gathering genuine and reliable job data, it is nearly hard to do without the assistance of the employees. If they are unwilling to cooperate, it is an absolute waste of human effort, money, and time to implement job analysis procedures. As a result, a lack of cooperation can cause dissatisfaction, cost overruns, financial loss, and a poor work environment. That's all.
All right, that's a good explanation. Okay, let's listen to Mr. Chiam.
Okay, thank you to Miss Moderator. Hi, good morning to everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Edwin Chiam, and today I will talk about the problem and solution in job analysis. My main point will be about the bias in jobs analysis and how to deal with it. A balanced and unbiased approach is must when processing a job analysis. The purpose for this is to make sure the real and genuine data was collected. So as a job analyst must be impartial when doing their job. If it cannot be avoided, it is better to outsource the process or hire a professional job analyst. That's all for me.
Okay, thank you. All right, so Ms. Tan and Ping, did the issue have happened in your company or not? Can you share a little bit with us?
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I feel very honored to be able to participate in this forum on behalf of the company. My name is Tan Peng from company Filia Sendirian Berhad Human Resource Department. Today, I am here need to share about the experience of problems and solutions about job analysis that face in my company. One of the job analysis problems that faced by our company is lack of top management support. The management support system focuses on the management and use of information resources. This system provides information to manage planning and decision making. The information provided by these systems is based on internal and external data using various data analysis tools. Management support is not just verbal. This means allowing workers to develop and use their skills and abilities. When managers fail to do this, they will inadvertently signal a lack of support. Managers are often unable to provide specific ways of support. The biggest problem arises when job analysis do not receive proper support from management. The top management needs to communicate with middle managers and employees to improve the output or productivity of the process. If the communication is improper, employees may mistake it for it and start looking for other available options. They may have a notion that this is being carried out to fire them or take any action against them. In order to avoid this situation, senior management must effectively convey the correct information to their incumbents. In majority of cases, little support from top management is received. Instead of describing in clear words, they describe in a roundabout way what an employee is supposed to do in the company and thus causing confusion in the minds of employees. Top management should show all employees that their full and honest participation is essential to the process.
Brian, about this issue, can you all share with us how do you overcome the problem?
There are three ways to solve the problems brought by the dynamic environment, which is do and update annual job analysis, tidy job analysis, and regular job analysis. For the specific steps for annual job analysis are firstly, in the work analysis interval period, each department director accurate, detailed record of the department's work changes. Second, in the month or week of the implementation of job analysis, each department director will summarize the work changes within a year and seek the opinions of the staff of the department. Third, before the implementation of the job analysis, the Human Resources Department shall make a preliminary plan and send a document to the heads of each department, requiring them to submit a summary of the changes in the work of the department within a certain period of time. Next, for the Human Resources Department to collect and summarize the work change tables of various departments. and make detailed plans for work analysis, including the specific implementation steps, the configurations of the work analysis team members, and so on. The fifth describes the concrete implementations of the work analysis. 6. The comparisons of job analysis result is the job description and work specifications. Lastly, write the feedback of the work analysis result. That's all the procedures of annual job analysis from me to solve the problem of dynamic environment. Other than that, the company also can do update timely job analysis and regular job analysis if the environment always changes in the short time. Timely job analysis which is let the department director at any time to hand over the changes in the work of the department and at any time to job analysis. For the regular job analysis, is combine the annual job analysis with timely job analysis and arrange the time of work analysis flexibly. Each company can choose the method according to its own situation. That's all.
Okay, thank you. All right. How about you, Miss Chin Shindi? What the solution that we can use for the problem that happened in your company?
The first solution is showing respect to the employees. If you ever had a boss who did not show much respect, but now that you are on the other side of the fence, maybe you do realize that the boss gets bored of workers' complaints and often discuss how workplace drama hampers productivity. As a boss, you must set the standard for how complaints are handled, and you must get the insight to probably respond rather than reacting to an employee's negativity. You would be shocked at how much you can change a worker's attitude just by listening well. The second solution is listening to the employees. When an employee comes to him or her with a concern, the worst thing a manager can do is ignore or disparage them. Make sure your staff does not feel worthless, and even worse is pretending to listen or be empathetic. Even if you hear what is being said, if you are distracted by a phone message or email, you are unwittingly expressing that the person in front of you is not important enough to offer you complete attention. Stop what you are doing and look at the person in the eye, even if you are preoccupied or otherwise unable to indicate you are paying attention. Then express your gratitude for what he or she just said. This does not imply that you are agree with what was said, rather it indicates that you are heard what was being communicated. The strategy is to make an appointment for a time later in the day when you will be free of distractions. All right.
All right, it's a good idea. Okay, how about you, Mr. Wei Chiam?
Okay, thank you, Miss Moderator. There are several ways to deal with the bias in job analysis. First of all, based on the nowadays technology, we can reduce hiring manpower that can bias. Instead, start using AI, recruiting AI to run a specific type of job role. By recruiting AI can be a great tool to reduce bias in job analysis. The data from the job analysis can be more accurate, and next, consider equitable job analysis and practice hiring. Equitable job analysis and hiring involves providing salary transparency, and by providing salary transparency, it reduces the effect of the gender and racial in negotiation. Finally, a fair chance practice gives a fair shake to all candidates with a different background. The fourth solution for the bias is tap in the new source of talent. The affinity makes us like people who are perceived as similar to us. Affinity bias can easily sneak into job analysis. A diverse company start with diverse talent pipeline. So we need to widen the lens through the which when we are seeking talent. Lastly, deploy the skill assessment to fight job unconscious bias. Skill assessment help hiring team to evaluate job candidates. Using skill assessment can help hiring team to focus on more job relevant criteria and candidates. Skill assessment can create fairer evaluation of candidates and reduce the bias during the job analysis. That's all for me.
Okay, it's a nice solution. Alright, Mr. Tan Emping, can you share the solution that your company have to solve the problem?
The solution that our company takes to solve the problems of lack of top management support is ensuring management involvement. The company's senior management must lead by example and influence the enthusiasm of employees. A management team that takes a sincere interest and connects with the staff is more likely to inspire the employees to achieve. The management team's transparency about the company's future helps motivate employees because it allows them to better understand the reasons for their job duties. Top management also needs to ensure that communication and transparency are maintained throughout the company. It is a company policy that managers meet with each employee regularly, for example, once a week to discuss their progress. Weekly staff meetings help everyone understand the upcoming activities, but they cannot replace one-on-one meetings. Every employee has the opportunity to express questions, problems, and concerns. Furthermore, another solution that our company carried out is communicating company goals. The company's goals and vision guide the work done by employees. In order for the company to achieve higher success, senior managers first need to ensure that everyone in the company knows what the company's overall goals and strategies are. It is not enough to know your goals, that need to understand the company's development direction and the goals that management wants to achieve so that they can see where their efforts are in the overall strategy. This is my opinion to solve the problem of lack of top management support in my company.
Thank you. Okay, what I can conclude here that job analysis is very important for an organization. Okay, job analysis is play an important role in recruitment and selection, job evaluation, job designing, deciding compensation and benefit package, performance appraisal, analyzing training and development needs, assessing the worth of job and increasing personnel as well as organizational productivity. Okay, it also can give a huge impact to the organization if we not handle the problem very well. Okay, thank you for being involved and spending time in this forum today. We hope we can meet again next time. Okay, thank you.